Hi everyone! Today I'm visiting a goat farm. Let's discover how goats are cared for and how delicious cheese is made.
Welcome, Emma! Today I'll show you every part of our goat farm, explain what each thing is used for, how cheese is made, and how much different products cost. Emma, these are different goat breeds. Some goats produce more milk, while others are raised mainly for meat or fiber. Every breed has its own special qualities.
Wow, every goat looks different. They are all so friendly and beautiful. I'm excited to learn more about them.
Emma, goats enjoy eating fresh grass, green leaves, hay, and special nutritious feed. Healthy food helps them stay strong and produce good quality milk.
They are all so friendly and beautiful. I'm excited to learn more about them.
Emma, every morning we carefully milk the goats. Fresh goat milk is clean, nutritious, and used to make cheese, yogurt, and butter. After milking, the fresh milk is filtered and stored in a large cooling tank to keep it fresh before making dairy products. Emma, this is our cheese-making room. Fresh goat milk is carefully heated, helpful cultures and rennet are added, and then the milk begins to form soft curds. This is the first step in making cheese.
Wow! The milk is changing into soft curds. I never knew cheese started like this.
Emma, now we place the soft cheese curds into special molds. The molds give the cheese its shape while the extra liquid drains away. Some cheeses are ready quickly, while others stay in this cool aging room for weeks or even months to develop their flavor. Emma, after the cheese is ready, we carefully package it to keep it fresh and clean before sending it to shops. Emma, would you like to taste our fresh goat cheese? It is soft, creamy, and made from today's fresh goat milk.
Thank you for showing me your wonderful goat farm. Today, I learned how goats are cared for, how fresh milk is collected, and how delicious goat cheese is made. I hope everyone enjoyed this adventure. See you next time.